Hello, good day and welcome. I'll be answering JAMB 2020 Use of English Past question 16. In the question, choose the option opposite in meaning to the word in bold. Anini was a mindless criminal. Now the word in bold here is mindless. Anini was a mindless criminal. Now for us to pick an option, we have to understand the concept of the word mindless and then also the concept of these words given here, and then pick the one that is opposite to the meaning of the word mindless. Option A says strong, B says mindful, C says feeling, and D memorable. Now mindless here, as used in this context, represents unawareness. That is, Anini was an unaware criminal, or you can say he lacks sense. That's what this mindless here represents, or having no sensible purpose. Now option A says strong. Strong represents forceful, powerful, or extreme. Option B says mindful. Now to be mindful simply means to be aware, attentive, and heedful. Option C says feeling. Now feeling here just simply represents to be sensitive emotionally. That's emotionally sensitive. Then option D says memorable. Now memorable simply means remarkable or important. Now let's look at this question again. Anini was a mindless criminal simply means Anini was an unaware criminal. He was unaware, he lacks sense, he is not attentive. Now the word here that is opposite to the word mindless is the word mindful, which means aware, being attentive, and being heedful, which is the direct opposite of the word mindless. So saying Anini was a mindful criminal, that means he was aware of everything that was happening around him. But the question says Anini was a mindless criminal, meaning he wasn't aware of the things happening around him, although being a criminal. So the correct answer to this question, which is the opposite of the word mindless as used in this sentence, is mindful. Thank you, and you should subscribe to the channel for more videos and past questions.